Motorola launched the Moto G73 smartphone back in January last year. While there were some rumors about the Moto G74, it never came out. Finally, it seems like Motorola will skip the Moto G74 and launch Moto G75. The latest news is about a leaked render of the device. As you can see, the phone packs a larger camera island on the back, a 50-megapixel Sony LYT600 main rear camera sensor with OIS. The Moto G75 5G could support a 6.8-inch IPS LCD display that packs an FHD Plus resolution. It will have an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. The power button and volume rocker are seen on the right edge. The power button is tipped to double as a fingerprint sensor. It paired with 8GB RAM and an optional 128GB or 256GB storage. It packs a 5000 mAh battery and supports 30W wired fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.